with another video this time, and today it's about the iconic Mercedes Benz W124. So the Mercedes Benz W124 was launched in 1984 globally, and it was discontinued in around 94 or 95 globally. In India, this car was launched in 95 and was sold till 97 in petrol and diesel variants. The petrol was called E220, the diesel was called the E250. But in 1997 they also started offering an automatic variant, and today we are lucky that we have an automatic variant with us, the 1997 W124 automatic, and I must say this is one of the last W124s ever made. So let's start this tour of the 124 with the iconic Mercedes-Benz star, because this is the novelty factor about the car, because this is also visible from the driver's seat. The iconic radiator grille, which has been followed till 2020 with the new S-Class as well. We used to have glass headlamps, so no issue of fading whatsoever, you can see. Now moving on to the side profile. This specific shade is called blue black. The color code is 199. The 124 in India used to get some optional extras, for example alloys, leather seats, rear sunshade and a CD changer. Now this is equipped with everything apart from the CD changer, the specific model. Maybe the owner didn't opt for it back in the day. So this model has those alloys. I remember that 3 designs were offered. This is the design which the owner opted for. My favorite design remains the 8-hole alloys. You can see that the design is pretty much simple. It's just straight lines merged into each other nicely. The dual tone shade of this car really brings up a really nice premium looking feel. Now moving on to the back, the same story continues. The design is very simple. Now as I mentioned earlier, this is a E220, so it's a 2.2 liter petrol motor producing 143 horsepower and 209 Newton meters of torque. Well, the Indian variant was limited to 180 kilometers per hour due to the tire options we used to get back in the day. I think this car used to get JK tire. This car is also equipped with original Mercedes Benz mud flaps. This used to look very period correct. This car was also equipped with an electrical antenna. Sadly, with this model this is not working as of now, but the radio works. Another feature I would like to point out is the single wiper instead of 2 wipers. It was so heavily engineered that it used to wipe better than 2 wipers. That's how heavily engineered overall the 124 was. In fact, this is a 1997 car, and so it's now close to 23 years old and it still runs perfectly fine. I do long road trips with this car without any issues. The AC is brilliant, the suspension is marvelous, this car is faultless. I wish Mercedes makes these cars again. Now I will quickly take you through the interior. Wait. You will see the doors shut with a solid thud, missing in most of the modern cars. So let me turn on the car quickly. Original key. You will see how quickly it starts. Starts in one crank. Okay, let me turn on the interior light so you can see better. Yeah, so this is all original wood. Unlike in modern cars where you get fake wood finish. These seats are redone, but this car used to have leather seats from the factory, as I mentioned earlier. It's an automatic transmission, 4-speed. It has all 4 power windows, dual airbags, see, central locking and an automatic transmission, 4-speed with S mode as well, which is supposedly the standard mode, but I just call it the S mode to feel it more sporty. These are for the rear headrests which fold, because you didn't have parking sensors back in the day. Done. This is for the rear light. Yes. and that's it. So guys, this is the quick tour of the 1997 Mercedes Benz W124. Do let me know what you feel in the comment section. Please do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.